Hi, it's Robert Salter, the Owl Man, and today we're out checking Tawny Owl nest boxes as part of our conservation work. In this box we have one young Tawny Owl, aged around 24 days old. I'm now going to put a ring on this young owl's leg. Each ring has a unique individual number, so if the bird is ever found in the future, we'll know how old it is, where it was ringed and how far it's travelled. Let's close the ring up. That's it. It's leg won't grow any more thicker than that, so that ring just moves around the leg nicely, so we'll carry this ring for life.